Pramaana Labs just closed a staggering $27 million seed round led by Khosla Ventures, signaling a massive vote of confidence in a radical idea: can we make AI provably safe with formal verification? In the next few seconds, we'll see why this bet could redefine trust in artificial intelligence and what it means for every algorithm that shapes our lives. Formal verification is a mathematically rigorous process that proves a system obeys its specifications under all possible inputs. Unlike testing, which samples cases, verification explores every edge case, guaranteeing absence of bugs. Applied to AI, it can certify that a neural network will never make a catastrophic mistake, turning intuition into ironclad assurance. Pramaana Labs builds a hybrid platform that couples symbolic reasoning with learned models, extracting verifiable properties from deep nets and compiling them into proof-checking kernels. Their team, former verification experts from Intel and MIT, has already produced prototypes that certify robustness against adversarial perturbations. The fresh $27 million will scale tooling, hire engineers, and pilot with aerospace and healthcare partners. If successful, Pramaana's tech could become the safety layer for autonomous vehicles, medical diagnostics, and financial algorithms, domains where a single error is unacceptable. By turning speculative trust into provable guarantee, the $27 million bet may catalyze a new standard: AI that not only performs well, but can be mathematically proven to do no harm. Think of formal verification like an engineer proving a bridge won't collapse before any steel is poured. Instead of building a prototype and testing a few loads, the engineer writes a mathematical proof that every possible weight, wind gust, and earthquake will keep the bridge standing. That proof is absolute: no surprises, no hidden failures. Now imagine an AI system deciding whether a patient gets a life-saving drug, or whether a self-driving car brakes for a child. Those decisions happen in milliseconds, but the cost of a single mistake is human lives and billions of dollars. Formal verification can certify that, under any input the model might see, it will never violate safety rules. At the heart of Pramaana Labs are founders Dr. Maya Sundar, a former principal formal methods engineer at Intel who led verification for Xeon processors, and Dr. Arjun Patel, an AI researcher from MIT CSAIL who pioneered neurosymbolic reasoning. Their combined expertise bridges hardware-grade proof techniques with cutting-edge deep learning, setting the technical foundation for the company's mission. The engineering team includes veterans from NASA's Jet Propulsion Lab, where they verified flight software for Mars rovers, and a group of PhDs from Stanford's AI lab who specialize in adversarial robustness. This blend ensures every line of code is scrutinized with the same rigor used to certify spacecraft, while still pushing the boundaries of machine learning performance. Pramaana's verification tool takes a trained neural network, extracts its decision boundaries as logical constraints, and feeds them to an automated theorem prover. In a live demo, the system proves that an image classification network will never mislabel a stop sign as a speed limit sign, even under adversarial noise, a guarantee that traditional testing could never provide. Beyond the tech, Pramaana cultivates a culture where "prove it first" is the default mindset. Daily stand UPS begin with a proof status checklist, and hack weeks are dedicated to formalizing new AI safety properties. This rigor accelerates innovation because engineers know their creations are mathematically sound before they ever leave the lab. Khosla Ventures sees formal verification not just as a safety feature but as a durable moat that can protect AI companies from catastrophic failures and regulatory backlash. By investing in Pramaana, they bet that provable guarantees will become a prerequisite for deploying AI in high-stakes domains, turning safety into a competitive advantage that rivals cannot easily copy. Khosla's portfolio already includes foundational bets like Juniper Networks, Square, and C3.ai, where they backed companies that built infrastructure moats. Formal verification fits this pattern. It is a foundational layer that can enable trustworthy AI across sectors. Khosla expects Pramaana to become the Intel Inside of AI safety, providing a verifiable substrate that other AI builders license or embed. Khosla has set clear milestones for Pramaana: within 18 months deliver a verified tool chain that can certify robustness for image classification models up to 100 parameters, by year 2 secure pilot deployments with at least 2 aerospace or healthcare partners, and by year 3 achieve $10 million ARR while helping partners meet emerging AI safety regulations such as the EU AI Act. Looking ahead, Khosla envisions a future where trustworthy AI is the default, not the exception. As one partner put it, we believe that provable safety is the next competitive mode in AI, and Pramaana's technology is the foundation we need to build trustworthy systems at scale. This vision drives Khosla's support for standards, open-source verification tools, and ecosystem growth that will let regulated industries adopt AI with confidence. For developers, formal verification becomes a new productivity tool, not a hurdle. Instead of hunting elusive bugs after deployment, you'll write a specification, run Pramaana's verifier, and get a mathematical proof that your model respects safety constraints. That means faster releases, lower QA costs, and a clear compliance checklist baked right into your CI pipeline. Regulators gain a concrete artifact to audit instead of vague risk assessments. A verification report is a verifiable certificate that a system cannot violate defined rules, satisfying emerging mandates like the EU AI Act or the US AI Blueprint. This shifts oversight from guesswork to clear, enforceable standards, making approvals quicker and enforcement more transparent. For you, the end user or business owner, this translates to fewer AI-related incidents and stronger trust. Imagine a self-driving car that can mathematically guarantee it won't misinterpret a stop sign, or a medical AI that proves it won't recommend a harmful dosage. Fewer failures mean lower insurance premiums, smoother product launches, and peace of mind. And there's a new frontier for builders. Verified AI opens markets that were previously off-limits: defense, aerospace, regulated healthcare. Early adopters can lock in first-mover advantage, offering services that come with a formal safety guarantee, attracting premium customers who demand ironclad reliability. If you're a developer, regulator, or just curious about the future, hit subscribe, drop a comment on which safety feature you'd love to see verified next, and stay tuned. We'll deep dive into the tech behind Pramaana's verifier in the next episode.